I'm gonna show you really quick how to make an easy almond milk or almond coffee creamer without adding any preservatives, chemicals, or sweeteners, but we will make it sweet. We're going to sweeten it with dates. And if you live in the South like me and you have a yard full of pecan trees, you can also do this with pecan and even fig so that you can have all you want for free. And who doesn't love for free like me? So I'm gonna show you how to do this really easy, great in coffee, great in oatmeal, great in any milk substitute. Dairy-free, gluten-free, GMO-free, free. All right, this is how you make almond milk or almond coffee creamer. Right, soak overnight. 1 cup of almonds, undried, soaked overnight, swells to just about under 2 cups. And pour the water off. Put your 1 cup of almond in your blender and 2 cups of water for almond coffee creamer, or 4 cups of water for almond milk. I'm just doing a coffee creamer, so I want it really thick and creamy, so I'm doing 2 cups of water instead of 4. And blend. Then you want to add some vanilla extract for flavor and some dates for sweetness. If it's for almond milk, put about 4 or 5. If it's for coffee creamer, you'll want to put more like maybe like 8 of them because you want it a little sweeter for the coffee. And blend again. At this point, I like to let it sit for a little while I do something else, just to let those chopped up fine pieces kind of really soak and steep into the liquid, and then I'll come back and blend it one more time and then drain. All right, after letting it sit for a minute and then blending again, we need to strain the pulp out. So you can use either cheesecloth for this or these bags that you can buy that are made for straining nut milks. You can do this with any nut, obviously. Pecans, we have pecans that grow here wild. You can do this with anything. You can sweeten it also with other things like fig, but date works really well because it doesn't have too much of its own flavor. And so I like these bags because they're easy to wash and reuse compared to cheesecloth. So we just pour it in and strain it out. And here we go. From our bowl in to our container. Nice, rich, thick, creamy almond milk, sweetened and flavored for coffee creamer. All right, in your almond meal, the pulp that's left should come out pretty dry. Not entirely dry. Now you can put this in a pan in the oven and roast it for a little while and dry it out and turn it into powder. Or what I like to do is just go ahead and bag it and put it in the freezer, and then I can use it in other recipes. I don't see any point in drying it out when I'm going to have to just add liquid to it later. But this works in place of almond flour in making cookies, breakfast bars, muffins, adding it to any of your breads, oatmeals, pie crust, anything like that. So definitely don't want to waste that. Put it in a bag, throw it in the freezer, take it out later when you need it. All right, so there we go. Our almond milk cream, actually, because it's thicker than regular almond milk, coffee creamer, and the leftover date paste to put in the freezer for cookies or breakfast things at a later date. You can even use the excess almond meal to make you a very healthy breakfast cookie or biscuit to dip in your coffee.